What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And first, before we get started, I'd like to thank our sponsor, absolutely f***ing nobody. No, but seriously, if you guys want to actually sponsor a video, let us know. So today, you guys can maybe tell, maybe not, from the title, we have a little bit of an issue, man. Damn. So last night, I just went ahead. Austin is actually kind of tearing apart, re-putting together his Z. He's got some new wheels. He actually bought my Cosmos wheels from me to put on this thing. So we just got those mounted up. We'll actually have a little video, like part one on his build. We're actually doing an RB25 swap on this, so stay tuned. Started just taking apart the Skyline last night, and you guys can see. So I got the wing, I got the taillight housings apart. However, this one is kind of, you guys see that? It's all kind of warped. So I'm gonna take my heat gun and just see if I can like bring back the plastic memory. If not, I'm gonna try and source a new one because I really don't like the way that looks. Gonna go ahead and polish up these taillights really good. I mean, you guys can see just how crazy foggy and nasty they are. They're gonna look so good. I cannot wait to get those done. I got all the parts laid out here. Got my skirts, got the rear, the side mirrors. One thing I am a little bit bummed about is this side mirror has a pretty nasty chip out of it. So don't really have any way of fixing that right now. So probably just temporarily, I'm just gonna paint this. So here's the problem. Here's our issue. So last night, you know, oh, also really cool heads up about this rear bumper. Found out why it wasn't fitting up very well. So these bumpers have like these brackets here that are held in by these kind of these clips, and this gets bolted to the actual chassis of the car, or like, you know, to the car. This one right here, you guys can see, is broken. So this literally just was able to come out like that, so that's why the bumper really wasn't connected to anything at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have the piece to fix this, so honestly, just a quick temporary thing. I might just drill a hole, put a little cotter pin in there or something along those lines to just go ahead and hold that where it needs to be. But here's the problem. Pretty serious problem, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. Not really too worried about it, but we gotta break the welder out for this one. So let me show you. Really quick before we get started, if you guys want to go ahead and grab yourself a sticker to help support the builds, myself and the channel would really appreciate it. We got the OGs KG stickers right here with the old oil slick, really awesome finish, and then we got the old Zupra die cast, which are super detailed, man. These are really cool. So free shipping anywhere worldwide, and do not worry, I won't be looking the envelope, so no coronavirus possible spread. Don't worry, I'm not sick anyway. So, but don't worry. Obviously, you know, we're gonna keep things sanitary. I feel like everyone's kind of sensitive at this time, but yes, these are here. Let's try and get rid of these ASAP. Free shipping. Let's get it. Link below. So first off, we have a little bit of rusted. The best part is someone along the lines used some aluminum. And they just placed it over, you know, they just placed it over, I guess just so they could run the weather strip. I guess, you know, if that was like your only purpose to do it, then I guess sure, that does work. But that leads all the way up into here. We have this little, here's where it gets gnarly. Ate all that away. So today is gonna consist of some rust repair. So I don't really know how far we're gonna get to today. I'm just gonna keep grinding, and I'm gonna continue these daily uploads for you guys. So I'm gonna do as much as I can and still get this video up. We definitely got our work cut out for us. I'm gonna remake this. It's gonna look incredible. And I have some really cool tips and techniques to show you guys on how to recreate this line, essentially. So let's just go ahead, man, and let's get to work. there's my Skyline graveyard that is accumulated. So this is what we have cut out so far. Obviously you guys saw we kind of went to town, cut out everything around the headlight or the taillight, went pretty hardcore with it, and it went up pretty close. You guys can see it got all up in there. So there's a good chance that I'm gonna probably have to go ahead and repaint this whole quarter panel, which doesn't surprise me because I have to do that anyways to get rid of that like tar stuff that I still can't figure out how to remove. So whole like drip rail, way more gnarly than I thought. So I left like this little centerpiece just to have a little bit of a guide. That way I can kind of mate all of it together. And then I even went all the way up here and cut all of this out. So I was at one point I just kind of had it to here, and I was like, all right, screw it. And then I was like, all right, I might as well, if I'm going all this way, I might as well actually get all the rust out and do it proper. So I didn't have the right tools, so that kind of sucks. But we kind of made do with what we had, and it's definitely looking different. So time to fix it. Alright, so you guys are like, what the hell am I doing with this blue tape? So basically I just kind of overlaid it over on that side because it's a mirror image. So we took that cut out, basically cut it to our nice little shape generally that we want, flipped it over so the sticky side is pointed upwards, and now we have a really good template for this whole drip rail. Cardboard I guess would work as well, but this is a little bit easier because the tape can kind of get inside the crevices, and that way you can just make a line and cut around where you need to go. So either way, whatever works best for you. This is literally my first time trying this technique, and it works out pretty well, so definitely recommend. Alright man, so it is the end of the day. It is like 6 o'clock and well, somewhere around there. Got this thing looking pretty good. This obviously I've only really worked on this one area. Just ground down the welds a little bit. Still got to go ahead and actually make like the I guess the railing portion of it, so the actual weather stripping can go ahead and attach back up to there. And obviously we got this little hole here, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it here on this one. I'm sorry if this one was a short one, but we do have a lot more coming in the next video. Next video, I just want to try and just jam out. I don't want to spend too many videos working on this rust stuff, so I'm gonna probably do most of it and a lot of it on camera, off camera, just so we can get it done and move on to the next step, which is gonna be painting all of our parts. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, man. I'm pretty stoked on how it's turning out, though. I'm just glad that all that has left the building. Trying to film an outro here, man. What are you doing?
Oh, I don't know.
You just creeping around?
What do you? Don't film me.
Well, you're in the wrong workstation, man. You got to get back over to your radio install. Are you done yet?
No.
Okay.
No.
This guy's been installing a radio all day.
All day.
Yeah.
The last hour.
What? All right, so what's up? What are you doing over here?
Just coming over here to see what you were doing.
Oh, okay.
You finish?
No.
Not yet.
No. Got a lot more to do, but done for today. I smell like rust and
You're done for the day.
grinding shavings. Well, for today's video, yeah.
On today's video.
Once I edit, I'll get back to it, but damn. So that's gonna be it for this one. I'll see you guys back up here tomorrow on the same time. I'm switching to the evening uploads. If you guys like that, let me know. If you guys prefer the midday uploads, just let me know and I'll go back to it. But it seemed like most of you guys wanted the nighttime uploads, so we'll try and get back on that schedule. And yeah, we'll keep it rolling, man. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.